Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar's 1653rd edition of these educational videos. This one's coming out early on a Wednesday evening for trading Wednesday evening through Thursday because something dramatic, if you ask me, is happening and I need to show it. So, you should know that futures trading is extremely risky. Always know that. Never trade this game unless you've got money to lose. Join me at livewithoscar.com in my free live trading room if you do not know what you are doing, and I will help you stay in check and in tune during these rough and tumble markets. Traders, what are we looking at? Dow Jones Transportation Average, daily bar chart deemed the leader of U.S. indices in many cases. I had mentioned that this is a bear flag. What you see here in red, that is considered a bearish flag, makes the market go down. Well, the market did go down, and it's a small flag, so maybe a small drop is all we were supposed to get. But let's move the flag out of the way for now. Let's say, no, the flag is done. Let's call that the projection. Let's look back at this. This happens to be the 200 bar moving average. This is the fund manager's green light special, or if you're a Kmart shopper, it's the blue light special, but you know what I'm saying. Fund managers love watching the 200 bar moving average, and when markets get to it, which is not all that often, they tend to react. Now, look at the reaction last time we got here. And here we are as of the close on Wednesday afternoon. Now, granted, that is a bear flag, and if I showed you 4 other indices, you'd see them in bear flags too. But maybe that was the projection on the transportation average. Now, I did mention in last night's video, let this speak first before we do anything. It came down to the 200 bar. Barring this event, I would absolutely not be telling you to buy this. But the fact that we are here right now at this average, you basically have no choice but to say, wait a minute, it held last time. It is the fund manager's green light special. It should hold again. That means we are going to look for a long in the emini S&P for trading on Thursday. Scary as that sounds, this is good reasoning. And I'll show you some others. We are in a big booming bull market. And the Dow Jones Transportation Average might not be leading at this moment in time. The one that might be leading is the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and that makes a new high almost every day. So is that leading us higher? Is this now a reason for the transportation to average, the transportation average to bounce off the 200 bar and move higher as well? I think it is. We're going to set up a long trade at livewithoscar.com in the E-mini if it dips enough. Then there's this. Omni is green for gold, Omni is green for crude oil, and Omni is green in the ES because of this Dow Jones Industrial Average chart I just showed you. I wanted to get this out bright and early so you can see it and be prepared for what should happen for trading on Thursday. OMNI, that's about it. I'm going to put out some Omnis now to coincide with this video. Please join me at livewithoscar.com, and remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do, in my opinion, to keep those emotions at bay is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.